guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I've got a little bit of a different background today. I'm actually filming just in my living room. It's a Saturday evening. I've got a haul here for you that I've been waiting for a very long time, so I figured that I would film it today. So we've got my trusty Sephora haul. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for these items for so long and finally came in the mail. So I will put it over here. And then we will pick out of the items out of the box. I'm just gonna straighten myself up. Hopefully the lighting is good. Not wearing too much makeup. I attempted a wing liner and got a berry toned lip on today. Nothing special. No eyeshadow or anything. Alright, so this is the rest of my VIB haul. It's been long awaited, so I'm definitely happy that I'll be able to have this up for you guys. Alright, so the first item is the Beauty Blender Power Pocket Puff. So I've heard that this is really good for like powder products to like set your under eyes or set your face. So I'll open it up here and show it to you guys. So it's kind of got like a silicone spongy side, and you can either put your fingers here and this or basically inside, and then this is like a velour puff, so you can kind of see what it looks like there. So this apparently it's to do foundation touch-ups. So if you have like a powder foundation and you want to touch up, you can use this side. And then this side is to actually apply the powder product and then just stamp it under the eye. So definitely test this out in a video and see what it does and how it performs. All right, so next up, you know what? Let's get all the makeup items out of the way. I got this KAJA Wink Stamp, which is actually what I used for my liner today. So that's what the packaging looks like on the back and then on the front. And basically, since I suck at liquid liner, I'm really bad at it. Like, it always skips on my eyes, and the wing I can never do it. So I figured I would try this out. First attempt with it, really, and it didn't turn out too bad. I don't know when I'll start doing it on camera because I'm really not good, but it basically comes with this stamping tool, and if you open it up, on each side you have the wing stamp. So basically how it works is, what side is this? This is the left side. So you would take it and you would basically stamp where your wing is, and you have that on each side. So it just helps you make, well, a pretty decent wing, if you ask me. It's not bad. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's to practice with. And then you get this eyeliner pen, which has a pretty good tip on it. And it doesn't work bad. Today I didn't use this. I just used a regular liner on my eye, but I did use the stamp, and so far so good. So that's the next product. Next up, I got another BUXOM blush. So this blush is in the shade Seychelles. I'll get it opened up for you. And this is kind of like a nude color, actually. So if you look at it, it's kind of like a bronzy nude, kind of like a, I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. But maybe I'll do like a first impression video and try it on. I really like it. It's more like, just like a nudie blush. And then the next product that I have here. So this was a Point Perk. Wow, Melanie. A Point Perk. It's the GUERLAIN Radiance Concentrate with Pure Gold Makeup Base. So it's a primer. And it's pricey, but I got it as a Point Perk to test it out for a video for you guys. So if you look at it, it has little specks of gold inside. It's really pretty. So I can't wait to be able to test this out. Oh, this I should try right now, actually, because I didn't put any setting spray on today. Ooh, this is the Mattifying Continuous Setting Mist by MORPHE. We all know I have oily skin, so definitely matte was needed. And actually, I can try it. Whoop, paper fell. I can try it right now because I haven't tried it yet. I haven't put any setting spray on. Let's get this baby open. This smells amazing. It's like a floral smell. It feels really good on the face, actually. Kind of went all over my hair, but that's okay. My hair will just smell nice too. Yeah, I like it. Oh, it looks like my foundation rubbed off there. All right, so this definitely good. I don't know if I'll be able to really test it out today because, I mean, it is 9:30 when I'm filming this at night, so. Next up, I got the Huda Beauty Mom's Obsession palette, so I can't wait to be able to test this out. Oh, it has such beautiful shades. It's kind of similar to the nude ones that I have, but I'll be able to do a comparison and see what it's like, but I really find it pretty. I was really excited to get that. And this I've wanted for so long. This has been in my loves list for months. And it is the JOUER Bouquet d'Amour blush palette. It's such a pretty palette. And I can't wait. You guys know I'm a sucker for blush. And this packaging is so beautiful. You see, it's so pretty. It's almost like a display item. I'll get rid of this. It's so pretty. Love this color, love this color. Oh, I love them all. The only one that I'm not a fan of is the orange, but never know. I can't wait to try this. So excited. All right, what do we have next? Okay, so I got a refill of my AMIKA dry shampoo. I love this. It's the Perk Up dry shampoo. I find that it doesn't make my hair really, like, you know how you can have like an itchy scalp after you spray dry shampoo. Well, I find that this does not give you that itchy scalp, and it just smells amazing. And it works so good. I really like it. It leaves your hair silky soft and oh, so good. Next up, I got the WISHFUL You Glow Enzyme Scrub. So this is Huda Beauty's brand in WISHFUL. And I've heard that when you, well, I've used it, and this is one product that I really couldn't wait to use. So it's basically like a scrub, but when you like put it on your face, like it almost pills up, and it's just got like a milky consistency. But let's see it there. I think you can see it. Can you see it? Focus? No, not really. Anyways, it pills up, and it's supposed to be your dead skin that pills up, but I don't know how true that is, to be honest. Kind of skeptical, but it definitely did a good job at washing my face, which I guess essentially that's what it's there for, right? Next up, this is the Ole Henriksen Transforming Plus. It is the Fat Glow Facial, basically. That's what the packaging looks like. And it is a mask. And I heard Samantha March mention this as a recommendation, and I love her product recommendations. So I decided to try it. My face has been going through the ringer with acne lately, so anything that will be able to help it, hopefully I'll benefit from. So this is that looks like, and then I will show you just the tiniest bit of it because it's sticky. And that's the consistency there. See, it's like really, really, really sticky. I don't know. We'll see what it's like. Kind of a septic, but we shall see. Just gonna wipe it off. Okay. Now, I also got the Caudalie Vinipore Serum. So it's a skin perfecting serum that unclogs and tightens pores and mattifies with purifying essential oil complex. It says this lightweight serum melts into the skin to help reduce the appearance of imperfections and tightens pores. The skin texture is visibly refined. The skin looks smoother and more luminous. Apply morning and evening to face before your cream. Avoid eye. And that's what it looks like. And this is what the product looks like. So it's just like a milky serum. Yeah, I'm kind of interested to test this out. Hopefully it'll do some good to my skin. That was another recommendation from Samantha March. Then I got the MURAD clarifying toner. Again, because I have bad acne and I needed something to clarify my skin, to clear it up. I've heard the Ole Henriksen, the blue one, is really, really good, but that was out of stock, so I was reading up, and also this one had really good reviews, so we'll see. It has a cooling formula, removes oil and impurities to instantly refresh skin. Witch hazel tightens the appearance of pores, while cucumber extract helps to smooth for a perfectly balanced complexion. Apply AM and PM. So we will see if this works. I'm excited to try it. Just take the box out. And then we have 2 more products. So I got this as another Point Perk. It's just the Nest New York Sun-Kissed Hibiscus perfume. I've heard that this smells really good. I don't know, but I've heard that it does. That's what it looks like. Oh, it smells really pretty. Oh, you guys want to smell it? See, that's how I think of you guys, as my friends. You guys are here with me, right? So, oh, Melanie, I think it's time for you to go to bed soon. All right, and next up we have the LANEIGE Sleeping Care. So Cica Sleeping Mask with its Hypoallergenic Replenishing Mask. And infused with forest yeast extracts, helps to revitalize the look of troubled skin as it strengthens the moisture barrier and deeply hydrates during sleep. Just because you have oily skin does not mean that you should not use a mask to hydrate it. Because this actually does help balance everything and balance like your skin, so definitely good. We'll test it out and see. I have the LANEIGE sleeping mask and it is one of my faves, so. And it's just like a creamy consistency. So we'll test this out and see how it works. And I believe that is all, my friends, from my Sephora haul. Yep, pretty much it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun talking to you guys, and welcome to my relaxing setting of my living room. I hope that you guys will subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell if you'd like to be notified whenever I upload next, and I will see you next time, guys.